Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel Electrical Boost. Today we are going to discuss a problem or going to solve a problem. Okay, here the question given that in the circuit voltage across capacitor is given by 100 cos t cos 500 t plus 45 degree. Okay, here the voltage of across capacitor is the instantaneous voltage 100 cos 500 t 45 degree. Okay, and you need to find the question given, find this Vs value, find this Vs value and this I value, okay. First of all, for this we first, what is the given data? Here the omega is given, this is how much, 500 t. Okay, this is 500. Okay, next we need to find this L1, XL1 and this XL2 and XC. Okay, so first of all we need to find this XL1. Okay, this XL1 is equal to how much? We know XL1 is equal to 2 pi FL1. Okay, yes or no? So put this 2 pi f as 500 or 500. Okay, into L1 is the 3 million, 3 into 10 to the power minus 3, that is equal to how much? We calculate this value, this is equal to, you can write J 1.5 ohm. Okay, next for XL2 we can write J omega L2, or here you can write like that. Okay, this is omega is 500, okay, into 4 into 10 to the power minus 3, that is we calculate this value, this is equal to J 2 ohm. Okay, next we need to find XC. Okay, XC is equal to 1 by J omega C. Okay, this is equal to 1 by J 500 into 1000 into 10 to the power minus 6. Okay, you can write like that, you can find this value minus J 2 ohm. Okay, here we find this value, okay, in term of reactance. Okay, next we find, let consider this impedance, these two RL, take impedance Z1. Okay, this take as Z2. Okay, so first we need to find Z1. Okay, so the Z1 value is like that, Z1 is equal to how much? 2 plus J2. Okay, this is the rectangular form. If we convert these to polar form, this is like that, root 8 angle 45 degree, if you need to find this is 2 square plus 2 square, okay, angle tan inverse 2 by 2. Okay, like that we find this. Okay, you can simplify, more simplification, so we got this 2.82 angle 45. Okay, angle 45, 2.82. okay, next we find Z2 value. Z2 is the only capacitance, so that it is J0 minus J2. Okay, if you, when you convert these to polar form, it is like 1 minute, it's like 2 angle minus 90 degree. Okay, this is the Z1 and Z2. Okay, our requirement to find this current. If you know this potential, if you know potential across this, if you find potential across this, okay, you can find this current, which amount of current flowing through these ones. Okay, so first of all we need to make this impedance in single impedance. So let this single impedance Z. Okay, this is the, okay, this is the Z equal to Z1 into Z2 divided by Z1 plus Z2. Okay, we know that in when we multiply we know that when you multiply, okay, we make it polar form, okay, when you addition then make rectangular form. So we can write like that, okay. See, this is z1 value is the 2.82 angle 45 z1, okay, into this is the z2 value is the 2 angle minus 90 degree, okay. Here downside we can put this impedance value, in rectangular form, 2 plus j2 minus j2, okay. So we got this value, this is 5.6451, multiply to this 2 and this, okay, then add 45 minus 90, this is minus 45, okay, this is minus 45, then divided by this is j2 plus j2 and minus j2 cancel out, this is 2, okay. Finally we got this value is equal to 2.82 angle minus 45, okay, minus 45, okay. Finally got this z value. Then we need to find this current, okay. We know this current equal to this current I, this is the RMS value, okay, V RMS by Z, okay. Here the question is given that this is the Vm value, this is the Vm cos omega t, okay, we know that, okay. This is the Vm value, so we convert Vm to Vrms, okay. So we can write like that, okay, we can write like that, okay, 100 by root 2 angle, this is 45, okay, and divided by this is 2.82 angle minus 45, okay. So we got final value is, we got this is 25.074 angle is the 45 minus of minus 45, that is 90 degree, okay. This is the RMS value of the current, but we need to find current in instantaneous, okay. So for instantaneous we need to maximum current, okay. So you need to got this for instantaneous value I equal to, we can write like that, 25.074 into root 2 cos 500 t plus 90 degree, okay. This is the current, we can say like that, this is 35.646, okay. You can multiply this, okay, previously, okay, cos 500 t plus 90 degree. This is our one answer, this is I, okay. Here first we need find this RMS value, then we find this instantaneous value. Here the question given to find the instantaneous value, okay. Next we find the voltage, okay. We know the voltage is the voltage drop across this VL and this VC, yes or no, okay. You already know this value and we need to find this value when you to find this voltage, okay. So we know that see, this Vs is equal to I into XL, okay, this must drop plus Vc. Here we consider all as RMS, then we after that we convert this to instantaneous value, okay. Here for finding IXL is the voltage drop across inductor, okay, IXL 1, okay, sorry, okay. This is the for I we know that 25, okay. Here consider this 25 angle 90 degree, okay, this much, this much. Okay, okay. Next into XL is the how much? XL is, we know that 1.5, already got the 1.5 angle 90 degree. Okay, so we got this value as 37.5 angle 180. This is the polar form. If you convert this to rectangular, or we can write like that, rectangular minus 37, we already calculated, so I will directly write it. Okay, plus J0. Okay, so next we find VC. VC already know, VC equal to how much? 100 by root 2. This is convert to RMS. Okay, angle how much? 45. Okay, 45 degree. Okay, so next we write next we find this VS value. Okay, this VS equal to this much. Okay, so 1 minute. If you convert these two in rectangular form, just this is the 50 plus J50. Okay, so we put this value. This is IXL 37.5. okay, plus J0 plus 50 plus J50. okay, here the real part and real, imaginary, so that this is, we can have what happen, this is come 12.5 plus J50. okay, this is the RMS supply voltage. We need to convert this to instantaneous. Okay, so what happened, the instantaneous value? Okay, this is VS. We know that maximum RMS into root 2 is the maximum. Okay, RMS into root 2 is the maximum. Root 2 into first of all we convert this to polar form. Okay, so this is got 51.53 angle 75.96. okay, this is our polar form. So multiply these two in this. Okay, this is the 51.53. okay, into cos 500t plus this is angle 75.96. okay, this much. Okay, so finally this VS equal to, instantaneous VS equal to 72.87 cos 500t plus 75.96. this is the final instantaneous value and this is the final instantaneous current. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.